Bob the Fox. Bob was a red and tan fox. Bob had 6 big red zits. Bob had a sob. The zits were big, hot, and on the tip they were red. Bob's zits had to get a fix. Bob was Sid's pet. Sid met the vet. The vet said the zits were bad. "Do not pop," he said. They were not zits. It was the pox. The vet jot on a pad. 6 sips of hot pop on the dot. Bob fed on the pop and hid in his box. 6 days of hot pop. And Bob did not have the pox. Bob got well. As well as a dog or a hog. The pox had wrought in a jot, and Bob could hop.